Yes, good morning to all of you. Myself, Mahesh Jagdish Pingle, lecturer Electronics Engineering, Government Polytechnic Ambad. So, today we are going to discuss the important formulae in AM, which are very much essential for solving the numericals related with the AM. So, about 10 formulas we are going to discuss in our today's lecture. So we already derived all these formulae in our previous lectures. So we are just step by step noting down each and every formula, and according to that one how to calculate the related term that we will discuss. Right. So the first formula, it is related with the modulation index in AM. So which is denoted by the term M, which is given by EM by EC, where EM is the peak amplitude of the modulating signal and EC is the peak amplitude of the carrier signal. Similarly, second formula, it is related with the percentage modulation, which is also called as percent M, which is given by EM by EC into 100%. So modulation index multiplied by 100% gives us percent modulation. Now the third formula related with AM is the bandwidth of AM. So it is always calculated by the formula 2 into FM, where FM is the frequency of the modulating signal. So bandwidth of AM is equal to twice FM, that is 2 into frequency of the modulating signal. Now the upper sideband frequency component, it is always denoted by FUSB, and which is calculated by FC plus FM, where FC is the carrier frequency and FM is the modulating frequency. Similarly, lower sideband frequency in AM is always given by FLSB, which is equal to FC minus FM, where FC is the carrier frequency and FM is the modulating frequency. Now, as all of we know that in AM two sidebands are created, LSB and USB. So the amplitude of each sideband is similar one. So the both amplitudes of LSB and USB are same. So which is always given by M into EC divided by 2, where M is the modulation index, EC is the peak amplitude of the carrier signal divided by 2. Now the next formula, it is related with total power in AM wave. It is given by PT equal to PC into bracket 1 plus M square by 2, where PT is the total power in AM wave, PC is the carrier power, M is the modulation index. So if we know PC, if we know M, so if we know the carrier power, if we know the modulation index M, then it is easy to find out the total power in AM wave. Now the next formula, it is nothing but transmission efficiency in AM. So efficiency is equal to M square divided by 2 plus M square. I will repeat once again. Efficiency eta is equal to M square divided by 2 plus M square. It is not 1, it is 2. So which is also calculated by PLSB plus PUSB divided by PT. Now AM power in terms of current is calculated by IT is equal to IC square root of 1 plus M square by 2, where IT is RMS current value, IC is RMS current of carrier, where M is the modulation index. So IT is total current, right? Now the next formula is nothing but modulation index in terms of current, which is given by M is equal to square root of 2 into bracket IT by IC bracket square minus 1. So by this way we can learn the different formula of related with AM. Now according to this formula, in our next lecture we are going to solve some numerical. So thank you very much.